You can't leave Japan without crossing this iconic street. We start above the city at Shibuya Sky, take a food break at Kura Sushi and L'Occitane, and then walk through Shibuya as it transforms from day to night. This is Let's Do This with Bernice, and in this video, join us as we spend the day and night in Shibuya. This is our first time seeing Shibuya Crossing in person. It's busy everywhere. The streets, the subway stations, the buildings, and screens. There's so much happening all at once. At peak times, thousands of people cross here together, locals and tourists all moving at the same time. What surprised us is how organized it feels. It's busy but not chaotic. We're filming as we walk and stopping naturally with the lights. This is a place we've only seen in movies like Tokyo Drift and all over social media. And now, we're actually here crossing it ourselves. From Shibuya Crossing, we head up to Shibuya Sky, one of Tokyo's tallest observation decks at 230 meters. The elevator ride gives us a great view of the streets below, including the famous crossing. You can really see how busy Tokyo is. We checked in on the 45th floor and head on to the Sky Gallery on 46th floor. This indoor space has interactive displays and the lockers for your bags before going outside. The outdoor escalator takes us to the rooftop deck on the 47th floor. It actually feels like you're floating above the city, and the views were incredible. Once at the top, the 360-degree view is amazing. There's a rooftop bar, photo spots everywhere, a helipad with artificial grass, and a cloud hammock to lounge on. Every corner has people capturing the perfect shot, though we skipped the main photo corner because of the long line. If you're enjoying this view with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. There's so much more Tokyo to explore after this. From up here, you can really see how vast Tokyo is. All the buildings and streets stretching out in every direction. It's a little overwhelming and amazing at the same time. The storm rolls in and it starts raining, so we head down one floor. On the 46th floor, we explore the souvenir shops, the café, and take more photos while waiting for the rain to ease. Even indoors, the views are stunning. It's fun to see the city from different angles. It's not just a lookout, it's a whole experience. Next, we took a food break at Kura Sushi, a casual conveyor belt sushi spot a few steps away from Shibuya Crossing. At Kura Sushi, most plates are super affordable. It's actually around 100 to 200 yen each. So you can try a bunch of different things without worrying too much about the bill. You can grab plates right off the conveyor, or you can order on the tablet and watch your order delivered to your table on the little express belt. We ordered a lot of different kinds of sushi. We had pork belly, scallops, crab, and these are my favorites. Ikura or salmon roast sushi. This is also good. Tuna with egg yolk and the baby scallops for sure. We also ordered tuna tempura bowl. You can make your own matcha tea and it's free. You just add matcha powder and press this one for hot water. All the condiments and utensils are tucked in a compartment right in the middle of the table. It's casual, spacious, fun, and interactive. We were entertained watching the plates go around while we waited for our bullet train deliveries. We ended up ordering a total of 31 plates plus a bowl and drinks. Every 5 plates you drop in that hole, you get to play this little game on the tablet. And if you win, you get a gachapon prize. They really made it so fun and playful. In the end, we even won 3 gachapons of little Pokemon fridge magnets. That's nice. Shibuya Crossing at night feels completely different. Even around 9 p.m. on a Wednesday night, it's busier, brighter, and more alive. People are crossing in every direction. Bright streets with vibrant lights, music playing, screens flashing. This feels so different from Calgary, where we are from. At 9 p.m. back home, it's already quiet, but here, the streets are still full and very much alive. And somehow, even with all the people, it actually feels safe. We passed by Hachiko. This is the loyal dog who waited here every day for his owner. It's a small statue with a big story. We're walking through it, filming as we go, crossing a couple of times and stopping when the lights stop us. Some people are locals, just going about their day-to-day lives, and others are tourists like us, admiring and taking it all in. As we walk away from Shibuya Crossing, the nearby streets just stay as colorful. Restaurants, shops, billboards, music, and sound everywhere. No single age group stands out. Everyone is just sharing the same space. It's busy, it's energetic, and it really feels very much like Tokyo. We took a little break at L'Occitan en Provence Café, right in front of Shibuya Crossing. We ordered fruit shortcake, cold blueberry, lavender drink, hot chocolate, lavender jelly parfait, latte, and creme brulee. Everything was beautifully plated, delicious, colorful, and elegant. From up here, the crossing feels the same as the street level, but it's nicer to watch while enjoying some delicious treats. The cafe itself is cozy and upscale. a calm contrast to the busy streets below. It was the perfect spot to rest, savor the experience, and take in the iconic crossing from above. After walking around Shibuya Crossing, we headed to Miyashita Park and visited just its ground level. This is Shibuya Yokocho. The restaurants are warm and cozy, with red lanterns and yellow lights. It's a modern take on the traditional Yokocho. It feels like a small world of its own. We didn't stop, we just kept walking and filming, but it looks like a nice place to hang out with friends or relax after a long day. Right next to Miyashita Park is Nonbei Yokocho, a narrow street lined with tiny bars and restaurants. It's smaller and more traditional compared to Shibuya Yokocho, and it kind of reminds me of Omoide Yokocho in Shinjuku. This one is just smaller. We didn't stop here, we just kept walking and filmed. You can really feel the old school Tokyo vibe, and it's the kind of place that's fun to explore if you have a local friend or just want to see and experience a more traditional side of the city. Just before we wrap up, we walk along Shibuya Stream. There's actually not a lot to show here. It's just a quiet modern spot with a waterway running through and some shops along the sides. It's calm compared to the busy streets, a nice contrast, and a good way to end our day. That's a wrap of our day and night in Shibuya. Thanks for joining us here on Let's Do This with Bernice. If you enjoyed this video, check out our channel for more adventures in Tokyo. We've got our visits to Asakusa, Tsukiji Market, Akihabara, and Shinjuku already up. And stay tuned for upcoming trips to Akasaka, Harajuku, and Ginza. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss the next one. Thanks and see you in the next video. Bye for now.